If you're using an Android phone, you are unknowingly giving away huge amounts of your personal data every single day. Forget closing apps. Android has 3 crucial settings buried deep inside the menu that are actively tracking your location, reporting your activity to Google, and sharing your data with advertisers. We're going to expose and turn off these 3 hidden tracking features right now. Take 60 seconds to change these, and you'll significantly boost your battery life, eliminate personalized ads, and finally take back your privacy. Let's get started. First, grab your Android phone and head straight into the main settings menu. In Settings, search for or find the Google section, then tap Ads or Ads Settings. You'll see an option called Reset Advertising ID and Delete Advertising ID. Go ahead and delete the advertising ID. This ID is how Google and other apps build a profile on you. Deleting it instantly stops the intense ad tracking that follows you across the internet. You won't see fewer ads, but they'll be generic, not based on your personal life. Go back to the main settings, search for location, and find the Google Location History option. This feature creates a timeline of every single place you go and stores it on Google's servers. Tap on Turn Off Location History. You can also find an option to auto-delete activity older than 3 months. This is non-negotiable for privacy. Turn it off now. Head back to the main settings menu, search for Google again, and look for Usage and Diagnostics. By default, your phone is constantly sending technical reports and usage data back to Google, running in the background and draining battery life. Simply toggle the Usage and Diagnostics setting to off. This stops the endless background reporting and gives you a small but noticeable battery boost. That's it. You've successfully locked down 3 of the biggest data leaks on your Android phone. It takes less than 2 minutes, and your privacy is instantly improved. If this helped you gain back control of your phone, please hit the like button and subscribe for more essential Android security tips. I'll see you in the next video.